Hello guys, it's A&T Collectibles here. Today we're going to open a 2020 extended series hobby box. So let's see if we can find a Kelly Capri, right? Or Alexi Latnafear. Let's go. So let's begin. Let's go guys, first pack. Bring these up a little bit. Come David base card. Okay, there's a rookie. There's a rookie. There's a rookie. Let's see, who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Patrick Kodor Korenko. I did get some of these young guns from the retail, so if it's not the exclusive one, okay, rookie class, Johnny. So let's put this over here. And there's the base. So continue. This is our third. Going good so far. So okay, not bad. It's this. This card's that the checklist. Gonna David, and then okay, checklist. Put that aside. On to the next part. Why you call David that? too big name, eh? Let's go again, guys. I'm really excited to open this part because okay, what's going on here? There's a young gun. Okay, there's a young gun. Who is it? Aliske. Young gun. These cards stick together. I was wondering, okay, nice young gun. Put it over there. Okay. Onto the fifth pack of the box. So we're on to the fifth pack, right? One. Storage just messed the video up. Why is these cards sticking together? Is it because it's winter time? Ooh. Future Impact. These guys. Future Impact. Alexi Latnafear. Oh man. UD3 Alexis. Let's put this in a hard sleeve. Nice card. Okay, so this is what I get from the break so far that I want to put up. Okay, when it gets to go one side, sit there for a while. That's what I get. Onto the sixth pack of the box now. I don't know what's going on for that, you know. All the cards and fields stick on together. What? Maybe if it was evil. Oh, rookie class auto. Victor. So the storm. Like rookie class over here. Like, why are these cards sticking together like that? Are they cool? Onto the 7 pop now. Let's see. I think something big is in this because why they start all of a sudden start to act up now, eh? I think something big is inside of it. Like cards start sticking together. Look. Alex, nothing fair. This is full of Alex, the rookies. This is a nice card. T76. Okay, Alex. It's over there, Alex. Okay. What is this? Is this a base card? All-Star Nathan McKinnon. Oh, this is a nice card. Young Gun Michael Bunting. Okay, nice young gun here. Let's go. This is starting off. This is a nice pack, right? Going good so far. I pay like $50 for this pack. So getting all of those buttons here. If I get a Capri now, it'll be sweet. It'll be extra bonus. Oh. T13. Evil. Let's put it right here. I don't know what that is. It is an insert. Not sure. This is better than the retail one that I got the last time. And there's a young gun coming up. This, who's this now? Who's this now? Let's go. Oh, column boot. Nice young gun. So that's the 4th young gun after pack. Still have 2 more to go. I think I seen a young gun, but that does look like it's upside down. Yep, it is a young gun. Who is this? Is this? No. Thought it was Logan Stanley. It's a French. This is the first time I'm putting a French young gun. French variation. Nice. 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 I don't like how the card is sticking together. Maybe it's because time is getting cold. Cards are getting cold. Come on. One more young gun to go. Is it going to be? Ooh. Maxi David. I think I have one of these cards already. I should think I have one of these cards already. think I do have one of these cards already. Nice card. So we are at halfway there now. We're halfway there, yeah? And we get all the young guns. Don't tell me that. So what's going to be in the rest of the 12? What's going to be in the rest of the 12, eh? I wonder what's going to be in the rest of the 12. We're halfway there. And we have 5 of the 6 young gun. Okay, nothing in this one. Ooh. Right off the bat, right there. What's going on? What's this? I can feel the cards sticking together like, what's this? Are they actually, like, does look like it's damaging the other card. Wow. Maybe if I get something good. Matthew. Bazaar. What's this? Oh, this is a numbered. Okay. 839 out of 2,999. Okay. Not bad. I don't know what that worth. I know it's the first time I'm seeing that, so I'm just going to not put it up, but it's a nice card. Still have one more young guns to go. Well, Austin Matthews. Ultimate victory. Austin Matthews, ultimate victory. Okay. So much base. Well, I have base cards, so should speed it up a little bit more. Holo effects. Okay. Holo effects. The cards are stick together, man. It's probably damaging the cards. Oh, this is the final young gun. Aiden. This is the final young gun, so I guess we won't get in. The Latin Fear young gun. So we get all 5 young gun, and we still have, how much pack is this? We still have 7 pack leave. Wow, this is how these guys scam people, eh? Because I get all the young guns, so they just repack these and sell them, eh? Wow. Unless they're looking for a different card from the young gun. Let's see what else is in this. Let's go through this. What? What am I? Hold on. Am I seeing W's? Because, what this is loaded. This is actually 7 young gun. Alex. Diorio. If that's how his name even pronounced. Oh Lord. I thought that was all the young guns. I'm getting my hand full. 7 young gun in one Abby box. Wow. Wow. just trying to check if it's actually damaging it. Kana El Beck. Goalie. I actually get 7 young gun. I can't believe that. 7 young gun. Still going. And a clear cut. Wow. Braden Holtby. Halt. Clear cut. I didn't even know that clear cut was in these box. Anyway, we got one, so we know now. Which is great. Let's go. Ovation. Alex. Okay. Okay. Can't believe the cards are sticking to each other like that. I don't know. Third to last spot now. Maybe I did wake up the cards. I don't know. I don't know why. Okay. I guess it's just going to be base, second to last spot. Second to last black. Let's go. Oh, ultimate victory. Victor. Can you hear the cards stuck into each other? Like, okay. Are you fighting me? Over there, final pack. Ooh, this one is pretty. Hello. Effects. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. AMT Collectibles. Why is this in here? It does look like it's the same card. And this, too, rookie class. I would prefer Latin Fair in this rookie class, though. And I got Latin Fair rookie over there. Right? And Latin Fair again. Future Impact. So, that's it.